Nehlang Lyngdoh ubadeu MLA Barim jongka Khliehriat constituency ubalong ruah keju kepor menteri Barim jongka sarkar jela ula Pyniasoh ilade jaka parti NPP menta kesengi ke khandrip terik ubnail ber arjar arpoar. Hakbala Pdiang sombah yaune orang ba andau presiden ke parti Konrad Kongkal sangma haka jinga si Khliehriat jong vice presiden ke parti uba presiden tensong nang tau ba snyau bahalang dhar ubadeu MLA jongka Pdiang constituency bat gidkhot jongka parti NPP lembat kiwe-kiwe. Ya kabal penlong ya ketik jing Pdiang sombah yaune orang ba Nongialam ha office terikam jongka parti kabadan halawar la Jumer. Nehlang Lyngdoh udeu MLA Barim jongka parti Kongres na Khliehriat constituency berubah ru ia kekam kumu menteri jongka sarkar jelah. Ulah syajud kumu nong mikmat ke Khliehriat constituency la arsin kata nadu usnem arhajar lai hadu usnem arhajar khadar.
As your national president, I take this opportunity to once again welcome each and every one of you to the family of the National People's Party. In this particular stage, in this particular office, we have seen so many leaders of the state who have been working in their capacity to take the state forward and work for their people and their constituency. We are seeing them today coming and joining the National People's Party in large numbers. And while we see that, we are humbled and we are grateful and thankful to God Almighty for the blessings that He is giving to each and every one of us and to the National People's Party. And we also, at this point in time, remember our founding leader, late Pyniasoh, who has laid the principles for this party to move forward. And we, as the workers and leaders of the party, are continuing in those steps. And today is another very important milestone for us, where a very senior leader like Sri Nehlang Lyngdoh, who has been an MLA twice, a person who has always worked for the grassroots, a leader who is very popular with his people, today has decided to join the National People's Party. It's a great reflection of the trust that these leaders and their people and their followers and their public today has on the National People's Party. I believe that they see the National People's Party as a party that will take the state forward, is taking the state forward, and will continue to take the state forward in the future also. And that is why we are seeing people from different areas, regions, different constituencies today reposing their faith on the National People's Party. It's indeed a very great moment for us as a party. And I once again thank each and every one.